Welcome back, Resourceful Living Homestead. We have our nesting boxes. And
our new stickers that we won on a live. We were actually gifted these. Somebody else won these stickers and they gifted them to us. Peaceful Des gifted them to us, and Devil Dog's Keeper, Jami, on YouTube. Y'all go check her out. She can make you anything you want. She made these stickers for us. These are our new logo that's got rabbit and pig on them. Our old stickers don't have that.
So these are gearing up, and Kathy's going to take them to our local feed store that we use loyally. That is who supplied all of our pig feed and all of our rabbit feed. And they are wanting to shake hands with us and give us an opportunity to sell nesting boxes. Hopefully, I'm not going to say that we can collaborate and sell more with them. But the nesting boxes right now, these are out there. If you want to get with us, Kathy can put a link. We can make nesting boxes for everybody. So thank you, and until next time.